What if a kids' show was secretly based on a real monster in the desert? There's a chilling theory that Courage the Cowardly Dog was inspired by David Parker Ray, the toy box killer. Ray lived in Truth or Consequences, New Mexico, a silent desert town that looks exactly like Courage's middle of nowhere. Fans say the show's monsters represent the strangers and danger that surrounded Ray's isolated property. And Courage's constant fear reflects what it felt like living near someone like him, where no one could hear you scream. What if the middle of nowhere wasn't fiction, but a real place we were never meant to know about?